Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Kobalt battery is not charging, it can instantly stop your work because your tools become unusable without power. This issue can feel serious at first, but in many cases, it's caused by simple factors like poor contact, temperature conditions, or charging interruptions rather than a completely dead battery. Lithium batteries are designed with built-in protection systems, so if something isn't right, they may refuse to charge as a safety measure. That's why it's important to check everything step by step instead of assuming the battery is faulty. Once you identify the exact cause, the solution is usually quick and easy. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Cobalt battery and get it charging properly again. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the charger and unplug the charger from the power source. Step 2. Clean the battery contacts and charger terminals to remove dust or dirt. Step 3. Allow the battery to reach normal room temperature if it is too hot or too cold. Step 4. Reinsert the battery firmly into the charger to ensure proper connection. Step 5. Plug the charger back in and check if the charging light responds normally. Step 6. Test with another battery or charger to identify if the issue is with one component.